No man taking nothing from me. Nothing from me. I'm a grown man with bad intentions.
When people watch this team, I want to see two things. The love we got for one another and the love we got for this game.
Bubba dabba dabba doo. Bubba dabba dabba. Let's go. Not me.
On the approach and the run-up.
The ball falls off the tee as Vasher approaches.
20 seconds.
Snap is back. It's very low.
Ball slips and he goes down and throws a pass. Well, somebody say something on the field, please. The official fell down in the offensive backfield. Flood helps him up.
Oh, my God.
Throws it out to Barkley, who wobbled it and dropped it.
Mahomes to throw, flush from the pocket to the right, pirouettes back to left, drops the ball! Ball is loose, and the Chiefs fall on it at the 25-yard line.
God bless America, y'all suck. Let's go! Hey, everybody just take a deep breath. We're fine. We're moving on them. They can't stop us.
That's two right there. We left two on the table there. We got to get them back.
Let's keep pushing the tempo. Get up and get set so I can use cadence, draw them off sides, get them off balance, we'll be rolling.
Hey, now we score. Now we score.
Looking, standing, throwing it deep down the right side. Little comeback caught at the 40, running away. This is Amari Cooper. Touchdown.
He was trying to force you out of bounds, wasn't he? I don't know what he was trying to do.
Look at the magic of the quarterback, just moving around, dancing, and then throws it like almost a no look. I mean, that's incredible.
No-look sidearm.
Oh my gosh, how do you not like watching him play?
Heavy package coming in for the Bears. The fake handoff. Trubisky pops a pass down Bradley Soul. Touchdown!
So they fake the handoff to a defensive lineman, throw the touchdown to an offensive lineman.
That's a smile. Let's go, baby.
O-line hero. Bro, what's it feel like to score in the NFL? Lost on the train of thought. You like losing your mind when you score. Big time, baby. What do we do? Stay on it now. Stay on it. Yeah, we win. We win.
How about that, huh? A little Matt Patricia lookalike action at work.
Yeah, that's impressive.
Keep the energy going out there on the field. Get this crowd going into it. Let's go.
Let's go, man. Y'all gotta have that energy, cuz.
Be sharp, your job. Gotta be sharp, your job.
They look like they're going to blitz. Here comes everybody. Slant in the direction. Cooper caught it on the bounce. Off the defender. Cooper walks into the end zone. Touchdown, Cooper. Cowboys win. How else would you settle this game besides the ball bouncing off a defender into Amari Cooper's hands and him walking in for the winning score?
Gives it to Henry. Henry bounces it outside. 5, 10, 15, stiff arm, 20.
Got away from another defender. Still on his feet. This is amazing.
40, stiff arm, 50, 40.
Go, go, go.
He's on his feet. Big chase, 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown! Titans! 99 yards!
Great job, O-line. Way to work. We feel good. Nice job. How clutch. Hey, the kid came through. The guys came through. We're running the ball.
Big push up front. Down he goes! They short-circuited the number 2 scoring team in the NFL.
Great job, fellas. Do it, baby.
Looks off to the left. The lateral play to Smith-Schuster. Down the far side. 40, 35, 30. They ran a hook and ladder. And Smith-Schuster put the Steelers in business.
With only 5 seconds left, the kick by Boswell. He slipped and fell, and the Raiders celebrate a real big upset. That's my ball. We need it now.
Tannehill, last shot, back to throw. They throw it down. They try to pitch it, and they do to Parker. Parker pitches it.
And it's Drake, 30, 20, Gronkowski's got a tackle. That's hell of a job at executing that last play. That's why we do that every Saturday, and we get bored doing it until it does that. Way to not give up, man.
See you Wednesday. See you Wednesday. See you Wednesday. See you Wednesday.
Now listen, I'll see you Wednesday.